It's Friday afternoon in the Big Sky. Bob McGuire with you here in the Q2 Weather Center. And as you can see, we wound up with about an inch of snow out of that snowstorm last night and again this morning. So right now we're currently mostly cloudy and 20 degrees in the Billings area with a northeast wind at 9, giving us a wind chill factor that feels like 9 above. Around the rest of the state, it's a little cool in the northeast corner of the state, single digits and teens, much warmer out in the west and southwest. They're actually sitting above the layer of colder air. So they're into the 30s and 40s at this hour. Billings are kind of in between that. We're right at 20 degrees, 43 at Cody, though. You'll notice a Doppler radar and satellite imagery shows the jet stream taking whatever left of the snow and pushing it in towards the southeast corner of the state. And so things are in the process of trying to improve here in the Billings area. Our forecast model shows generally that's going to be the case. Most of the snow continues to move out of the region, and I think things will be drying up the rest of the afternoon. Then by Saturday morning, another batch of moisture starts moving in towards the western half of the state. We'll produce some scattered snow showers there. By Sunday, it looks like another low pressure cell will move into the southwest, and that'll pull some of that moisture back across the Billings area on its way up towards Great Falls. So what we're looking at here for the next several hours, probably going to see just some light snow flurries, maybe some possible rain showers over the weekend, and that's all you're going to see in the Billings area. Temperatures are going to stay kind of flat, mostly 26 or 27 degrees until about this time tomorrow afternoon, and we'll bounce right back up to 41 degrees. We'll have a complete forecast coming your way at 5:30 tonight on the Q2 News, or you can check us out online at ktvq.com.